How AI is changing the job market. In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has surged to the forefront of technological innovation, reshaping the job market in profound ways. Initially viewed with skepticism, AI is increasingly recognized as a catalyst for change that can enhance productivity and redefine job roles across various sectors. As AI systems become more capable and accessible, businesses are leveraging these technologies to optimize operations and drive growth, leading to a shift in the types of skills that are in high demand. The most notable transformation lies in the automation of routine tasks. Many jobs that once required human intervention are now being performed by AI. For instance, data entry, customer service, and even aspects of financial analysis are increasingly handled by intelligent systems. This shift not only reduces operational costs for businesses, but also allows human workers to focus on higher-order tasks that require creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. However, this transition raises concerns about job displacement and the need for workers to continuously adapt their skills. As AI integrates into workplaces, the demand for specific skill sets is evolving. Jobs that require technical proficiency in AI and machine learning are burgeoning. Workers with the ability to program, manage, and interpret AI-driven solutions are becoming invaluable assets to their organizations. Consequently, educational institutions and vocational training programs are adapting their curricula to better prepare the workforce for the challenges and opportunities posed by AI. Proficiency in technology, data analysis, and soft skills is emerging as a requisite for success in the evolving job landscape. Post-pandemic, the integration of AI technologies is anticipated to accelerate. Companies are keen to utilize AI to enhance efficiency and navigate market uncertainties. This creates an impetus for employees to embrace lifelong learning and adapt to a fast-paced environment characterized by constant technological advancements. Flexibility and innovation will become key attributes for individuals seeking to thrive in their careers. The onus will be on both organizations and employees to cultivate a culture of continuous learning, where reskilling initiatives are prioritized and career growth is fostered. In conclusion, AI is undeniably transforming the job market, opening avenues for new careers while altering existing roles. As businesses harness the power of AI, the emphasis will shift toward creativity, emotional intelligence, and advanced technical skills. Embracing this change is crucial for workers and organizations alike. By adapting to the advancements brought forth by AI, we can navigate this evolving landscape to build a future where technology and human potential coexist harmoniously.